Okay, today we're going to be talking about the inventory recap and how we lost $350,000 in polyurethane from the use of the supplies in the refrigerators. Okay, so the company's procurement team estimated 11.22 pounds of polyurethane foam for each refrigerator used for insulation during manufacturing. During production, more than 11.22 pounds of polyurethane foam was used, causing a shortage in estimated materials usage of $350,000. We're going to actually discuss how what we find here and how that happened, and what we can do to prevent that going forward. Okay, so here I'm showing the accounting cycle. I'm not sure if you can see that. So for the sake of the $350,000 loss, we're going to actually be focusing on steps 5, 6, and 7. So adjusting the entries, preparing the adjusted trial balance, and preparing the financial statements. So these two tables here, this is a T table that shows how the journal entries are entered. So we have 11.22 pounds. We debit and then we credit that since we pre-forecast that. And then down here on the other table is the adjusted balance, the adjusted journal entries. And so it shows the 11.22 pounds, which is what was the projected pounds per unit. However, more than 11.22 pounds was used, causing the shortage. So a few suggestions here. So my first suggestion would be to retrain the manufacturing department. So by retraining our workforce, the amount for the correct amount of pounds to use per unit, you can help minimize the overage from happening in the future. What happened was when manufacturing was making the units, they used more than 11.22 pounds, so it would appear, and then using more than 11.22 pounds with the accounting cycle unaware that they were using more, thus caused the shortage. So establishing clear expectations for a polyurethane usage, how many pounds should be used per unit should be a given, and that should be retrained and established with the manufacturing department so everybody has a clear understanding. And then we want to consolidate the supplier list. So by consolidating our supplier list, we can control the inventory coming in and the amount of poundage and polyurethane being used in manufacturing facilities. So if we have several suppliers for the polyurethane, we want to actually move to a consolidated list. So many suppliers coming in can eliminate, can help, can cause complications with the accounting cycle. So if we minimize the amount of suppliers coming in, then we minimize the amount of polyurethane and having overages in our pounds.